Have you ever nodded and smiled during an English conversation without understanding a single word? Don't worry, that's not just you. Almost every English learner has done this. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Teena. I'm Teena. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why native speakers sound so fast, and more importantly, how to train your ears so you can actually keep up. By the end of this video, you'll know why English sounds so fast, the real reason your brain struggles to catch every word, 5 simple ear training exercises you can start today, and how to practice without feeling overwhelmed. If you've ever felt frustrated watching a movie without subtitles or lost in a conversation because people speak too fast, this video is for you. And if you're new here, hit subscribe now. Every week, I break down English in the simplest way possible. Okay, let's get into it. Here's something that might surprise you. Native English speakers don't actually speak that much faster than you think. So why does it feel so fast? The answer is something called connected speech. In natural English, words don't stand alone the way they do in a textbook. They blend together. For example, what are you doing? Quickly, naturally, what you doing? See how different that sounds? It's the same sentence, but native speakers connect the words, drop some sounds, and blend everything into one smooth flow. This is completely normal. It's not because they're speaking too fast. It's because your ears haven't been trained yet to recognize these patterns. And that's actually good news, because if it's a skill, it can be trained. Here's something important to understand. Your ears are working perfectly fine. The real challenge is happening in your brain. When you hear connected speech, your brain is trying to do 3 things at once: recognize the sounds, match them to words you know, and understand the meaning, all in real time. That's a lot of work, especially if you haven't practiced it before. But just like any skill, playing an instrument, riding a bike, this gets easier with repetition. Your brain literally rewires itself to recognize these patterns faster. So the goal isn't to hear better. The goal is to train your brain to process faster. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's get into the actual exercises. Number 1, slow than normal listening. Find a short video, 1 or 2 minutes, and watch it first at a slower speed. Most apps let you slow down playback to 0.75x. Listen carefully, understand the meaning. Then watch it again at normal speed. Your brain already knows what's being said, so this time it's just matching the sounds to meaning you already understand. This builds the connection much faster than jumping straight into full-speed listening. Number 2, shadowing. This is one of my favorite techniques. Play a short clip of natural English and try to repeat what you hear immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker, like a shadow following them. Don't worry about getting every word perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to move at native speed together. Start with just 30 seconds of audio. Repeat it 3 or 4 times. You'll be amazed how much clearer it becomes each time. Number 3, start noticing connected speech patterns specifically. For example, want to often becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Give me becomes gimme. These aren't slang, they're just how natural spoken English works. Once you learn to recognize these patterns, your brain stops getting confused by them. Make a small list as you notice new ones. Over time, you'll build a mental dictionary of these sound patterns. Number 4, and this one takes a little courage. Try listening without subtitles first. I know that feels uncomfortable, but here's why it works. Subtitles let your eyes do the work instead of your ears. If you always rely on them, your ears never get the practice they need. Try this. Watch a short clip without subtitles. Try to catch the general idea. Then turn on subtitles to check what you understood and what you missed. That small gap between guessing and confirming is exactly where real ear training happens. And finally,
Number 5, repetition. Don't just watch something once and move to something new. Go back to the same short clip 3, 4, even 5 times over a few days. Each time, you'll notice something new, a word you missed, a pattern you didn't catch before. Repetition builds familiarity, and familiarity builds real understanding. Now, let's make this simple. Here's how you can combine all 5 exercises into just 1 week. Pick one short clip. Day 1, listen slow, then normal. Day 2, try shadowing it. Day 3, notice the connected speech patterns inside it. Day 4, listen without subtitles, then check. Day 5, just listen again for pure repetition.
5 days, 1 small clip, 5 different angles of practice. That's how real ear training happens. Not through hours of study, but through smart, focused repetition. So let's quickly recap. English feels fast because of connected speech, not because you're a slow learner. The real challenge is training your brain, not your ears. And the 5 exercises are slow then normal listening, shadowing, noticing connected speech patterns, listening without subtitles, and repetition. Practice these consistently, and fast English will start to feel much more manageable. If this video helped you, please hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week on English with Teena, I share simple, practical ways to build real English skills, step by step. In the next video, we'll look at even more everyday English sentences you can start using right away. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.